Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Abdul Karim. In this video, I would like to share my home studio or mini studio, which have been completed. We just completed the setting up of this home studio last week. Thanks to my wife Sopina and my son Abdul Haziq for helping me to set up the studio, because I don't have time really to spend time to doing all this stuff. So thanks a lot to them. So in this video, I would like to just show you around in this home studio and show you the stuff or the devices that I have, and also the setup. Hopefully with this sharing, you can get some ideas if you want to set up your own home studio at home. By the way, I'm recording this video on using my DJI Osmo Pocket. This is actually a very small device which you can buy online or in the camera shop. I will talk about it in other videos. So let me show you around my home studio here. Okay, let me just take a quick look around the room. This is actually a small room. It used to be my study room, full of books, files, and so on, things that have been accumulated in the last 36 years of my time in the academia. So we have taken all the books out and then set up the room for the home studio. So okay, let me take you first from this corner. As you can see here on this corner, I have the green wall, the wall painted with the green color. This will serve as a green screen if I want to shoot a video using a green background, so that I can change the green background with any image or even video as a background. So this will give me a lot of options to change the background of the video. And then right in front of us is actually a black wall, or a wall painted with black paint, and this will give me the option to shoot a video with black background. Of course, I can also take the video as it is with the pictures hanging on the wall. So I can take also another background, or another to shoot it from this angle, for example. And on the other side is actually next to the window, next to the black wall, is the white wall here, which I can use. I can position the camera on the other side, and I can take the video with a white background. And I can also, for example, take the angle from this direction, and I can sit on the other side, so that I can put my laptop or my computer on the table there, and I can take from this angle. As you can see there, I have my tripod already with the camera already set up on the tripod, so that I can simply walk in and switch on everything. Then I can start shooting the video. So as you can see here, take a closer look. So this is my laptop. As you can see, this actually, if I want to take a screen recording, so this is actually my main computer that I use. I can actually use the built-in webcam, but I would advise to invest on this Logitech. This is actually Logitech C920, connected to the USB port on the computer there, and this actually will give HD high definition video, which is much better than the webcam video. So this I highly recommend to invest on this one. I think last time when I bought this webcam, the price is around 900 ringgit, but this nowadays you can get from online for about I think 300 ringgit. Then this is my favorite camera, which I just purchased recently. So here is my camera, Canon EOS M50. This is actually a mirrorless camera. I bought this one for 2,700 ringgit with the SD card and with a kit lens, and this is already mounted on the tripod so that I don't have to fiddle with mounting or dismounting the camera. I can just walk in and switch on everything and I can start recording. Focus on this. I have 50mm prime lens or fixed focal length on this M50 camera. It is actually a very good lens to use to take a video or a picture. I have also a kit lens that come together with this camera. The kit lens is 15 to 85mm. It's an excellent lens as well. So I can use this Canon M50 here to take a video, and the video quality is superb. So this is actually a highly recommended investment if you are serious about taking or recording a high quality video. Of course, you can also use your smartphone camera. If you have a good camera on your smartphone, you can also use that. And the good thing about this camera, it has an audio input there. If you can see, yeah, the audio input, which can be connected to the external microphone, and this will give a very good audio input for the video. So for a good video, not only the quality of the picture, but the quality of the audio as well. Okay, on this side, okay, this is another background. My wife has decorated this part of the wall so that I can take a video sitting on the table there, using that background. Or I can switch back to the other side, sitting the other side of the table. Then I can use this as a background. Okay, right, okay, let me show you some of the accessories or devices that I have. I have a small table lamp here. This is actually a simple setup if I want to take a video recording of a screen on my laptop computer screen. Sometimes I just need a simple lighting. Table lamp would be sufficient. And I also have this one where I can put in my smartphone camera. Then there's a ring light there. I can use this, also very useful. I have taken a few videos using this ring light, which is quite sufficient. And this is actually a microphone. This is actually a condenser microphone. I bought this one probably about 15 years ago. At that time, there is no better alternative to get a good audio, a good external microphone, so I have to invest. This one I bought, I remember, around 900 ringgit of my own money. This is not USM property anyway, this is my own property, all this thing. And I have an iPad. If I need to take a video or record using the iPad, it can be done as well. And over here, I have this one is actually a wireless microphone, Boya wireless microphone, which I actually bought online for around 300 plus. But it is also a very, very good microphone, a good investment, and probably the cheapest wireless microphone that you can get in the market. So it's good also to have a good big external drive for backup. 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte. Nowadays you can buy at a reasonable price. You can use your smartphone as well for recording. The lighting. So this is LED dimmable LED duo light, which means that you can you can control the intensity of the light, and there are two different, you have the white light as well as a tungsten yellow light, which you can mix together to get the desired color. And it's actually very versatile. Let me just try to switch on the light and show you how it looks like. I have actually a pair of these. So these at the back here. Okay, you can see over here the light. Okay, and I can adjust the intensity of the light. Currently it's a mix of white and yellow, but I can also play around and adjust the angle, make it all white or all yellow, and also adjust the intensity of the light, make it dim and make it brighter as you need. Alright, so basically let me take the final round of my home studio. The curtain is an old curtain. My wife promised to change the curtain. Okay. Alright, so I hope this sharing I hope this sharing has been useful, and I hope it can help you, especially if you are about to set up your own home studio. And you can actually watch many other videos on YouTube, or their own different kind of setup for the home studio. If you want to create content on the fly or easily, I think it's worth to invest. My whole investment for this mini studio, I think probably around 6,000 ringgit, Malaysian ringgit. But it's worth for a long term, because I'm serious about creating content, more and more content, educational content, of course, and I'm going to share this on my YouTube. So don't forget, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll be notified for new content, new videos, and feel free to share the video, embed on your website and so on, because as people say, sharing is caring. So that's all for now. See you in another video. Thank you.